This is the mini kitchen butane torch lighter with adjustable flame, and it is sharp looking. I like the look of this thing. These torches are very popular with sous vide users. You can see it came packaged very nicely here, and the company sent me this product for a review, but everything I say in this video is my own opinion. Inside the package, you're going to get some connectors, which you may or may not need, and I'll go over these, and you get an easy to read manual right here. It tells you everything you want to know about it. The torch itself is made of stainless steel, brass, and zinc alloy. When you hold it in your hand, it has a really nice feel to it. It is ever so slightly top heavy, but that really isn't a problem at all because it has this nice base on the bottom here. This base is removable and it will still stand up on flat surfaces, but I would suggest keeping the base on. For instance, I use a silicone kitchen mat. Putting the base on here makes it easy to just quickly set it down and you don't have to worry about it falling over. It is super easy to refill with any type of butane. You just hold it upside down, press the butane canister in until it fills up. You'll see it coming out, and you're done. They've included these 3 red connectors in the event that you have a different type of butane canister that has a different sized opening. One of the things I like about it, it has a piezo ignition on it, which I think is super cool. You can see it right here, the tip right there. There's a spring-loaded button on the back here that sends a spark right to this tip. So it can be lit at any angle, and it can even be done one-handed once you turn the gas on, right here. This type of system works great in the wind and even in the light rain. They say this is a waterproof design, so it should be great for outside use. And once you turn on the fuel using this adjustable knob right here and light it, the flame is continuous and adjustable. You can see that thing's shooting out about 7 inches right there. There it is on low. You get to see that blue flame shooting all the way through there. According to the manufacturer, with a full tank, it has a maximum burn time of 35 minutes at a maximum flame temperature of 1400 degrees Celsius, which is 2,552 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used at any angle, even upside down. When you want to turn it off, you just turn the knob right here. The opening here is about 3/4 of an inch wide, so you have a pretty decent sized opening here. It's not too big and not too small, which I like. A portable handheld mini torch like this one can be used for all kinds of things, from arts and crafts to the kitchen to the grill. It is super lightweight, it's easy to store, and it looks good on my kitchen counter. It's super versatile. You could shrink some shrink wrap with it. You could use it as a charcoal barbecue starter. You could sear a steak. You could caramelize some onions. You could cook salmon with it or sear it if you make your own sushi. You can use it to brown meringue for creme brulee, charred veggies, all kinds of stuff. Very nice. I love it.